Hello everyone, my name is ANANTHA from ECE branch. Product name is projector and product proposed name is site display. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. It should be connected automatically without using any PC or pen drives. Projectors are connected like seamless and wireless connectivity and natural controls for enhanced user experience. Future projectors should be advanced in graphic displays. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many few features are added to the exciting product. Existing product name projector, futuristic product name site display. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Wireless connection, sensors. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. This is the sketch of the project. I request the viewers of the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.